Hey everybody, it's Chris, GearNoir TSC, here for my Monday shave. Today is a special shave for a couple reasons. The first reason is happy birthday, the monkey, Mr. John, over there in the East Coast. Hoping you're having a good, blessed day on your special day today. He asked a few of us in various places to join him on a birthday shave. His razor of choice for his birthday, I think it's his birth year razor, is a Slim. He's got some old, like, super early date code, but me, I've just got, what is this thing? An H something. Oh, L4. There we go. L4 Slim here. Loaded up with an Astra SP. I'm going to be using that during the shave, and so that's the first thing. Happy birthday, John. Another year being 21. I don't know. Guys aren't like ladies, I guess, when it comes to birthdays. I didn't say that. But anyway, I've also got Mr. CBL, Chris on TSC, has passed out a bunch of mystery sample soaps. I've got one loaded up here. This is sample number 3. This will be my first shave with it. The last couple days I did his sample number 2. I did 2 shaves with that one. And got my Razor Rock Big Bruce here. I'll get things started. But he's doing some scientific shave experiment, passing out these samples. Only he knows what they actually are or what the soaps contain. There's nothing dangerous, but hang on, I gotta count this. 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5, 1,000, 6, 1,000, 7, 1,000, 8, 1,000, 9, 1,000, 10, 1,000, 11, 1,000, 12, 1,000, 13, 1,000, 14, 1,000, 15, 1,000. Alright, I promised to load for 15 seconds. I normally load a lot less. Well, there you go. Anyway, he's doing a blind test on post-shave feel and shave properties of some soaps. I won't go into too much detail because some of the folks that watch these videos are also in the test. Except for my journal, I've kind of been having a little expandable spoiler thing in his and Chris's thread. I've been trying to keep my results semi-private, but hopefully he'll, at the end of this, we got 3 samples each to try for a few shaves, or a couple shaves at least each. Hopefully at the end he'll tell us what the results are, what he figured out, if anything, from people's feedback. We don't even know if he made these all himself or if he cut up some other shave soap. Everything's in a round, so either it's some kind of vintage soap or he made it all himself. It's a very specific size round. Anyway, I promised I wouldn't talk about that. So this one seems to be taking a lot of water though. And since I'm going to be using my feather for a couple passes, I'm keeping trying to keep all the variables the same. The only thing I'm really changing up today is the Slim with an Astra SP. I have been using my Game Changer 0.68 with a Wismet blade, which I'm really enjoying. Those are nice blades. I don't get along quite so well with the Slim, even though I have one. It was my first, well, no, it was my second adjustable. My first was my Fat Boy, which I prefer. That little extra millimeter, whatever it is, difference in the head cap makes a huge difference. But I can still get good shaves out of it. Pay attention to what's going on here with the shave so I can report back. I joke that at the end of all this, Chris is going to tell us we're fools and that they were all the same soap. There weren't any differences. It was his premium line, and what are you talking about? No, I'm sure that's not going to happen. It could, but... Anyway, Mr. John every year, the monkey does a piff every year on his birthday, the generous guy that he is. And if you join him in his birthday shave with the Slim, you get entered into his PIF, and well, PIF, which means pay it forward. Kind of like a chance to get some free stuff. You do that occasionally once in a while. Occasionally once in a while. We do that once in a while in the traditional shaving world. Give away some goodies. Done it a couple times. And usually one will pop up here and there on TSC. Kind of a tradition in itself. Sometimes it's to get new people started. Sometimes it's just for fun. Sometimes it's to celebrate something. All different reasons. It's up to the person doing it. Different entry requirements. Again, up to the person doing it. Sometimes there's no requirements. Sometimes you have to jump through a couple hoops. All John asks is that you join him in a birthday shave. And I can do that. Since I shave every day, and I have the razor that he uses and is asking for, why not? Been kind of a nice chill weekend for me. Today's Monday, the last day of my weekend, since I get Sundays and Mondays off. Kind of went by a little fast. One of those things, like, in hindsight, you're like, man, that flew by. It seems to be happening more and more these days. But like in the middle of it, there's some times where things just slow down and you're chilling out, having a good time, relaxing. But usually seems over too soon. Things do tend to slow down a little bit for me around this time of year, simply because of the Christmas Advent kind of focus. This will be my third pass. Pop out the Slim for this one. And I can enjoy these couple last months of the year a little bit more. Work can be a killer sometimes, as I've talked about in the last couple videos, but that's over for the time being till the new year. Just kind of winding down at the church, and things are slowing down a little bit in life for the end of the year. This is unsetting too. But still, every year it seems like it slows down a little bit less each year. Still a good time of the year, though. That's really all that's going on. It's going to be a slow week of work. Just a few things going on, nothing super major. Alright, do a rinse here, see where we're at with the stubble. Trying to get consistent results for each of these tests. Not bad. Just do a little bit of cleanup here. Good enough. 14 minutes. Alright, I'm going to do my normal little lather soak and cleanup. I'll be right back. Alright, there we go. Thanks for hanging around a quick second. Just did my lather soak after a warm rinse. Then I cold rinsed that off. Then I put on some generic witch hazel, some Thayer's Medicated, which has a very nice light bay rum scent. Doesn't last long, as most bay rums don't. But I think that one particularly is meant not to, because it's just like a post-shave skin irritation reliever. Now I'm going to use some Lucky Tiger, which I've used the last couple shaves. a little bit more skin food in here. And just filling up my palm with about a quarter size amount. Spread it around all the shave areas. Help soothe, condition a little bit more. And then, to top things off for the birthday shave, got the very last remnants of my Chatillion Lux Lavande Poivre, or Lavande Poivre, however you say it. The trick is to get this darn top off without letting the thing fly out of your hand. Come on, work with me. You're on live camera. Behave. Anyway, this is really nice scent. Lavender, mostly, but nice and fresh. Kind of like if Fine Aftershaves did a lavender. I think they do actually. Lavender, I can't remember what the name of it is, but I don't see it mentioned very often. But this is a like heavier, not heavier, it's a nice light fresh cologne version, sort of. I'm just gonna douse myself because I'm gonna get rid of this guy. Man, it is just hanging on there. All right, into the palm. There it goes. Oh yeah, that smells good. Sometimes flowers are okay, dudes. Depends on how it smells. Anyway, oh, that smells good. So good. Anyway, happy birthday, John. Hope it's a good one for you. Hope you get cake and ice cream, some shave-related items, and whatever else. Anyway, that's it for this week's shave on video. You can catch up with the rest of my shaves and whatever else is going on in a very cool place to hang out on the internet. I know it's weird saying that, but it's a forum, www.theshavingcadre.com. Me and a bunch of other folks there, really nice folks. We're just finishing up a bingo game that's being called by Kyle. We are holding on to our Rudolph Buddy gifts. I got mine already, I think, and a bunch of other people either have theirs on the way or have gotten theirs already. We don't know who our Rudolph Buddy is for the most part, so it's going to be a surprise Christmas morning, and it's going to be a surprise to what each person got, but we get to video that or take pictures, and we do all sorts of fun stuff like that constantly throughout the year. But also on a sad note, a week ago-ish was the 1 year anniversary of Honeybee Sue's passing, one of our first artisan supporters at the TSC, and I think the last Sue. There were 3 Sues that are well known throughout the shave community, and she passed away, Honeybee Sue, about a year ago, and so just something to note, one of the original artisans in the American shave community, so there's that. But anyway, you all have a great week, and I will catch you next time.